My name is Spencer Wyrick and I'm a support IT technician. In my job, we answer all the phone calls coming in from the dealerships. We also go out to the dealerships and help with things there. The coolest part of my job is solving an issue that is really kind of hard for the client to have. Like for one example, there was a client at Toyota who had hearing aids and he was having trouble using our phone system, so I was able to work with him and get a new phone for him that we could actually connect via Bluetooth to his hearing aids, and he was able to hear the client and talk to them, and just to see him happy and kind of thrilled to be able to work easier was just kind of like a good feeling. Automotive is good because cars are kind of never going to go away. They may transition to electric at some point in the future, but humans will always need vehicles to go from point A to point B, so it's kind of a job area that's not going to get overwritten by something else, something new. When I was a kid, I actually wasn't very sure. I kind of had a hard time deciding where I was going, but I know I liked computers and playing video games as a kid, so I kind of just went with the flow and did computers throughout college and kind of just ended up going in IT, and it's been a good fit so far. I would say focus on technology and computers. Take any sort of like kind of tech class that you can, and then look for a good tech school. You don't necessarily need a four-year degree for tech, but if you want to kind of have that degree to go forward and do other things, then it's a good way to do too.